you grew up in a home where Yiddish was a spoken language, but not towards to you, right? Mm-hmm. How did you find yourself, and where did you find yourself that time towards to Yiddish?
You mean when I began to feel like it was a home for me?
Yeah.
So you know, I'm thinking about how I'm feeling about Poland since my trips there, and I don't want to sound like a broken record, but I'm just very aware right now of my longing for a Gan-Eydn, you know, longing for a place where we can live out what we dream of. So Yiddish is culturally so rich, its expression in literature and in music and in theater. It was like it was like going into this sumptuous department store of possibilities of how we could express ourselves artistically, and so it has the comfort of feeling familiar, and also the excitement of feeling like there's endless possibility. And I kind of want to bring back to this notion of what has been stirring in me about Poland is, so if Yiddish is coming home, what is Poland? And how do Yiddish and Poland fit in with each other? And if Poland was the home for my ancestors who I didn't know, have no idea how they lived there, what is it to me? When people say, where are you from? I met actually last summer a young woman on the Gwoździe project, and she said that someone asked her where she was from, and she started to say Poland. And I thought that was such an interesting answer. She wasn't from Poland any more than I was from Poland, but I am from Poland in some way. So what of that can I reclaim? What of Yiddish can I reclaim? What of it is rightfully mine? What of it doesn't matter if it's rightfully mine or not? I feel something. I feel a longing to have continuity. You know, being an immigrant cuts you off from a huge swath of yourself, and you want to make that whole.